Good evening, everyone. Wish you happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all. Last class, we already discussed about the story of two friends, Samir Ek and Samir Do. From this story, we know how it is diversity in India. We all are Indians. We can find out unity in both friends. So, like that. So, let us continue today's class, diversity in India. Diversity in India, when we talking about diversity in India, we have so many different ways in our life. We eat variety of food, we celebrate different types of festivals, and we speak a different type of language, and we wear different type of clothes. But in spite of all these differences, our nation is single unit. We all are says Indians. That is the diversity in India. So then how do we explain this diversity? In ancient time, the people when they wanted to travel one place to another place, or in any part of in any country, they get new experience, or they influenced by that place. They traveled in ships, or caravans, or they on feet, and like that. So on horses, on camels, they used in ancient time. Nowadays we can easily travel by bus, car, train, aeroplane, like that. But in ancient time there is no, because they some days, or they many years lived or stayed that place. This is the caused arise so many languages and religious cultural influenced one people to another people. So these things make a new trend, and will become a mix of the new and old. We can find out in our country so many languages, religious, cultural arise in this region. So let us understanding how these influenced impact on India. Just you can remember Indian map. Here, this is the Indian map. So we can choose two places here. One is eastern part of the Jammu Kashmir state. It is in North India part. So then another one is southwestern place. This is coastal area, Kerala. This is when we talking about both states, they have so many differences here, geographically or historically, or people living style, their religion, cultural, their food, language, so many differences they have. Two states, Jammu Kashmir and Kerala. So when we talking about geographical feature of Ladakh, this is the desert area, and it is situated in eastern part of Jammu Kashmir, and also a part of the Indian territory. This part, Indian territory part, we call this one. This desert area always cold in mountains here, Himalayas mountains we can see here, and but does not get any rainfall here. Rain has less trees, so we can see here, and very little agriculture is possible here. Water is does not easily get from this place, because the people of Ladakh, they depending on melting of snow for drinking water in summer days. The people rearing sheep, goats, and cows, pashmina shawls. These shawls has great demand in India, and also in other countries. It has very famous for its silky and softness. Luckily, the Ladakh is situated in a place which is in trade route connecting the Tibet and India. As it is a trade route, they are getting some of trading items from traders also, as well as they collected can sell their products, or some products they get from other traders from these routes also. That is the way they manage their life in this area, Ladakh peoples. So one thing is important, number of Buddhism people lived here, and also a good number of Muslims. Not only Buddhism people lived here, and also the Muslim people we can see here. And then we now one thing, even have different religion people lived here, but they have one similarity in singing the national epic song, that is Kesar Saga. So both communities sang Kesar Saga. This one says about the unity in their nation. So all these things we can find out. So many differences in states, but they have one single unit in their states. And also we called Ladakh, this place, Little Tibet, from Buddhism religion influenced most of here this part. So this is called Little Tibet. And then now coming to here in Kerala place, this is the coastal area. Already I says this one. And it is the part of southwestern part, and in India. So it is surrounded by sea, and one side hills here. So it is famous for spices item like pepper, cloves and cardamoms are grown here, because this is the plain area, and this soil is very valuable, and that has